Cancer is a word that can strike fear into anyone's heart. But how much do we really know about it? Here are the top 5 cancer-causing foods that might be lurking in your kitchen and you should avoid at all cost. Number 1. Processed meats, the silent killer hiding in your sandwiches. Studies have linked the consumption of bacon, sausages, and deli meats to an increased risk of certain cancers. Opt for lean proteins like chicken or fish and spice things up with tasty homemade marinades. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Sodas, energy drinks, and even those seemingly innocent fruit juices can be packed with sugar, contributing to obesity and an elevated cancer risk. Swap out that soda for some refreshing water and give your body the hydration it deserves. Number 3. Artificial sweeteners. Some studies suggest a potential link between artificial sweeteners and certain cancers. Choose natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and you'll satisfy your sweet tooth without the added risk. Number 4. Fried and grilled foods. Fire up the grill cautiously. High-temperature cooking methods, like frying and grilling, can produce harmful compounds that may contribute to cancer. It's time to rethink those crispy fries and charred burgers. Opt for gentler cooking methods like steaming or baking for a healthier alternative. Number 5. Highly processed snacks. From chips to cookies, these tasty treats often contain trans fats, excessive sugar, and artificial additives, all of which can contribute to cancer development. Choose whole, unprocessed snacks like nuts, fruits, and veggies for a snack that nourishes rather than harms. Remember, a healthy diet is a crucial step in preventing illness. Stay mindful of what you eat, and work towards a healthier, happier life. If you found this information eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips.